Hello friends, welcome back again. Today's video I will explain you how we can configure the encoder with the Xinje PLC and how we can use this encoder in the software. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our XC Pro tool and here we will create a new project. Just click it on the file and go to the new project, and if your previous program like to be saved, click it on yes. If not have any programs, you can click it on no. So this is which is model you have, you can select it from here. XC242, this model is available with me and I will collect this model. It's very simple and easy method. We will write here first one instruction, for example LDM8000, which is the permanent on relay, and next we have to be configure our encoder, which number you like to be used for the encoder configuration. For an example, this is my hardware that I can show you. This is my encoder and which is connected with the PLC of the input X0 and X1. This is a two-phase encoder and this is 24 volt I am using from the PLC. So next we have to be very simple. Here you can see this is the HCNT, that's the high speed count configuration block. Just click it on this one and here which number you have to be used, that you have to be selected here. For an example, I will use up down counter, so I will use this 620 counter number, and that's the compare value. You can set it the D10 and this the D100 is interrupted as, and here is compare value also 1 and the section number also 1, and this is the count number is 0 is okay, and just click it OK. And so your counter is now selected automatically. And now in next program, how we can test this encoder. So just we will take one more command, LDM8000, and here we will use the compare instruction, because of what's the purpose of counter and how we can compare this counter. So we have to be use the compare instruction. So we will write LD when greater than or equal instruction we will be use. LD greater than or equal our D10 with the no, we will write this C with the C620 with the D10, that's we will be write the value and click enter. And after you can make one output, an example any you can choose the, for example Y0, and one more relay we will be put it here LDM100, and out not out we have to be use the reset function. So we will be reset C620 we will be use and click enter. So this small program I will download into the PLC and let's check. What we compare it here, which value will be coming in our this counter, after this value will be compares with the program and our output will be on and off. So now our program is successfully downloaded and I will make the run the PLC, and now you can see our Y0 is on because of there is some value upside the counter. So first I will make this one M100 on, and so our counter will be goes to reset at 0. Why this on? Because of still we are not giving the value at the D10. So we will give the value at D10. For an example, we will give the, for example 500 or 1000 value I will be give. 1000 value after I like to be stop my output. So click it OK. as I give the value, you can see our output is now off. And now I will increase the value of my encoder. Also we can see in our hardware, I will select this one hardware here, and I will move this value of the counter. Slowly I will move this value, but this is the reverse direction because of this value is going into the minus, and so I will move to other side. Now you can see slowly when I moves, this value is now increasing 500, 600, 7, 800, 900, and as this value will be increased than 1000, our y0 will be on. You can see our y0 is now on, and if again is value running, it's no problem because of this counter is working. And as I reduce the value, you can see value when less than 1000, our y0 is now off. Again I will give the value, you can see as it's increased the value from 1000, output will be on, right? It's very simple and easy method you can use, right? Y0 is on. So hope guys you will be understand about this encoder, how we can configure and how we can use the value with the comparison instruction. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.